Hey guys, it's Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Don't forget to follow us on the web at arealiftrepairs.com. Follow us on Facebook at arealiftrepairs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment in the comment section down below. Today we're getting down and dirty on a CMC 72 HD Arbor Pro. This machine is at our shop for one of our quarterly inspections, getting the wash and wax, engine oil changed. Today we want to talk to you guys about a problem that we're having with hose placement on the jib of these machines. I'm going to go ahead and come around the side and Eric can show you what we're talking about. On the back side of the jib here, you can see you have your hoses coming through. On this side, which would be the right hand side if you're standing in the basket, the hose can come over to the side and become locked on top of this jib arm linkage and actually pull the fitting off of your hose. So you can see this is where it's not supposed to go. This is where the hose is supposed to go. Again, this is where it's not supposed to go. And this is where it's supposed to go. So what we're gonna do, take one of our big zip ties here, put a zip tie back through there, and hold those bad boys towards the middle. And that will keep this from slipping over in the way and breaking your hose off.